Welcome to the Anna Darpan demo for the procurement process in Mandi with reference number. In this demonstration, we will walk through the complete process of receiving and stacking stock using a reference number, including Mandi association, farmer token generation, quality check, payment entry, dispatch creation, and final stock receipt at the depot. Technical Assistant Mandi Association by Manager Depot. We begin by logging in as Manager Depot. After logging in, navigate to Mandi or Agency Receipt and select Technical Assistant Mandi Association. Select the Technical Analyst, choose the available Mandi, and click the Submit button. A success message appears in a pop-up confirming that the Mandi has been successfully added to the associated Mandi list. Starting Mandi operations by Technical Analyst. Next, log in as Technical Analyst. Go to Mandi or Agency Receipt and select Mandi Operations. Click Continue with Mandi Operations. A pop-up appears asking, "Are you sure you want to redirect to Mandi View?" Click OK to proceed. Token Booking by Technical Analyst. Once inside the Mandi Operations view, navigate to Mandi Procurement and open Token Booking. Select the farmer. The farmer registration number will be auto-fetched. Select the commodity, marketing season, schedule date, and schedule time, then click Submit. A success message appears stating that a token for the specified farmer name has been successfully created. The pop-up also displays the token number and instructs the farmer to visit the Mandi on the scheduled date and time. Quality Check by Technical Analyst. Still logged in as Technical Analyst, go to Mandi Procurement and select Quality Check. Select the token number, choose the specification, enter the moisture content and analysis result, and click Submit. Success message appears confirming that the quality check for the token number has been successfully recorded and accepted. Weighment Details by Technical Analyst. Navigate to Mandi Procurement and select Update Weighment Details. Select the token number, choose the bag type, enter the number of bags and quantity, and click Submit. Confirmation message appears stating that the weighment for the token number has been successfully recorded. Payment Entry by Technical Analyst. Next, go to Mandi Procurement and open Payment Details. Select the token number, enter the MSP, payment due as per MSP, any applicable deductions, and update the payment status. Click Submit. A success message appears in a pop-up confirming that the payment details have been updated successfully. Generation of Dispatch Truck Chit by Technical Analyst. Now, navigate to Mandi Procurement and select Generate Dispatch Truck Chit. Enter the agency, commodity, crop year, season type, bag type, number of bags, declared quantity, truck number, and transport contractor. Click Submit. A pop-up appears confirming that the truck chit for the selected depot has been successfully generated with the reference number. Optional verification of dispatch in Mandi Balance. As technical analyst, you can optionally go to Mandi Procurement and open View Mandi Balance. Select the commodity, variety, specification, and marketing season. The system displays the updated dispatch details reflecting the recorded transaction. Token creation at depot by Gate in Charge Depot. Next, log in as Gate in Charge Depot. Go to Mandi or agency receipt and open Create Token. Select Yes for Is reference number issued. Choose the Mandi name, agency, declared quantity, number of bags, and other required fields. Click Submit to create the token for the Mandi receipt. A confirmation message appears stating that the gate pass has been generated successfully with the gate pass number for the token number. In Weight entry by Weighbridge in Charge Depot. Log in as Weighbridge in Charge Depot. Navigate to Mandi or agency receipt and open in Weight. Select the required token, choose the stack, enter the in weight, and click Save to capture the truck's gross weight. A pop-up appears confirming that the gross weight for the truck has been recorded successfully. Quality analysis by Manager QC Depot. Next, log in as Manager QC Depot. Go to Mandi or agency receipt and select Record Quality. Select the required token, enter the necessary field values, and click Submit to record the quality analysis. A success message appears confirming that the quality has been accepted successfully. Stacking by Shed in Charge Depot. Log in as Shed in Charge Depot. Navigate to Mandi or agency receipt and open Stacking. Select the required token, adjust the stack plan as needed, and click Submit. A success message appears confirming that stacking has been completed successfully. Outweight entry by Weighbridge in Charge Depot. Log in again as Weighbridge in Charge Depot. Go to Mandi or agency receipt and select Outweight. Choose the required token, enter the truck weight less than the in weight, and click Submit. A pop-up appears confirming that the tare weight for the truck has been recorded successfully. Exit Gate Pass by Gate in Charge Depot. Next, log in as Gate in Charge Depot. Navigate to Mandi or agency receipt and open Exit Gate Pass. Select the token and click Submit to complete the truck's exit. A success message appears in a pop-up confirming that the gate exit has been completed successfully. Verification through reports and stack activity. Finally, log in as Manager Depot. Navigate to Reports, then Daily Reports, and open DSR Daily Statement of Receipts. Select the From and to Date, Commodity, Variety, Crop Year, and Shed, then click the View Reports button. The DSR report displays the correct transaction data for the receipt with reference number. To verify the stack update, go to Sheds and Stacks, select the shed and stack, and view the stack details and stack activity. The system displays the updated commodity details and complete stack activity. This concludes the demonstration of the procurement process for receipt and stacking of stock with reference number within the Anna Darpan system. Thank you.